Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we just got a delivery box right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. So we're gonna open that up. Should be the new headlights for the Beast. So let me grab my knife real quick and we'll open it up so we could take a look at it. Alright, so there it is. I ordered some B-Lands headlights. Those guys hooked it up. So we're gonna open it up and take a look. Alright, there it is guys. Let me take one out real quick. Okay guys, there it is.
Hola, Mamá Lucas.
See, they look pretty good. And they feel good, you know, so hopefully we could throw them on when it gets a little nice over here, you know, because we've been getting a lot of snow here in Denver, so I was waiting on the new Alpha Rex blacked out headlights, but I don't know, I couldn't wait no more. So I decided just to order them, test them out and see. And I'll just leave the ones I like the most and put them back in the bag. Make sure they don't get scratched or anything. Yeah, so hopefully I get some time to throw them on the next few days or the next week or so. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys, so let me know what you guys think. Should we go with those or just leave the Alpha Rex headlights on, or test those out and see which one look better. And I'll try to do some night shots on both headlights before and after, on the Alpha Rex and those B-Lands headlights. I'll probably just shoot in that wall over there at night and see how they look, you know. Yeah, hopefully everything works out good in the next few days, and I'll keep you guys updated, see what happens. Alright guys, so yeah, I guess I just wanted to show you guys. So I'll see you back when I'm installing them, and let me know if I should do an install video or just throw them on and show you guys, you know, because I know my last install, it wasn't the best one, but I hope they help a few people out, you know. I hope you guys have a good one, and hit that like button and subscribe.